Good morning and welcome to the Author Spotlight. My name is Arilia Winn. I'm the owner and operator of Winn Publications. If you don't mind introducing us to yourself, you can start by telling us about who you are and what you do full-time.
Yes, my name is Candace Y. Dodson, and at this time I'm actually a full-time writer and author. I used to be in healthcare administration, but I decided to go ahead and fulfill my journey of writing. So that's what I do as of now.
Oh, wow, that's cool. When did you make that transition?
Actually, I've been thinking about it for years now, but of course, you know how life gets not in the way, but you know, your life takes a different toll than what your actual plans are. So I say about maybe an actual year and a half ago, I decided to go ahead, you know, since I have the resources and the time, so I decided to go ahead and fulfill my dreams. Yeah.
Oh, wow, that's nice. So what, I guess I'm wondering, like, what was the toughest challenge, I guess, in becoming an author full-time?
Actually, well, for me, in my circumstances, you know, being a mother to a special needs person or a child, and also, you know, with just family life, you know, husband, full-time job, and everything. You know, sometimes, you know, the things that you actually want to do for yourself and what you really want to do with your life kind of falls through the cracks a little bit. So I guess the question would be what was the actual turning point? And I think it was just the opportunity that arose. You know, during that time, you know, I'm actually blessed enough to be able to be financially stable, you know, through my family. So, you know, I decided to take that time and then, you know, work on myself. You know, sometimes we tend to let ourselves fall through the crack too. So that was, once I started working on myself more and, you know, doing things that I want to do opposed to, you know, everyone else, you know, I just discovered that hidden thing that I just put back on the back burner for all these years. So I just decided to bring it to the forefront, you know, and see what happens. And yeah, a book came out of it.
Ooh, that's awesome. So that's a perfect transition into my next question. Let's talk about your book. What's it called? Tell us about it.
The name of the book is Tainted Identity, and actually it's just the journey of three young girls into adulthood. You know, how their experiences, you know, coincide with each other. And they just actually, you know, strive to overcoming those experiences, whether it's, you know, they went through child abuse or, you know, any type of other sexual abuse, rape in their teenage years, adulthood, you know, any type of spousal abuse. And basically the book is all the experiences that I've, you know, come across in my life, and also, you know, what I've experienced with others. And I just, you know, made a creative story out of it. You know, some experiences are in there verbatim, and some of them are, you know, they're based upon the experience. So, you know, and I just decided to write a book, you know, about that, and, you know, divide it into some characters that I believe that I can relate to personally, and, you know, just hopefully someone sees the story as someone, how they persevere through, you know, their trials and tribulations, and, you know, and saw that, you know, through their faith and, you know, through their love for themselves, that, you know, anything that can happen in your life, and, you know, life can change for you for the better.
Wow, that's a powerful, powerful message. Awesome. So where can we purchase a copy of your book? Is it on ebook or?
Oh, yes. You can purchase it through Amazon, Barnes & Noble, or wherever books are sold. It's not actually for audiobook as of yet. I'm transitioning into that. I transition into that in a couple of months once the part 2 will be completed as well during that time. But you can also go to my website, Dotson, DOTSON.com, and you can purchase and see events there as well.
Nice. Okay. So then, can you offer any advice to some of the writers and self-publishing authors that are listening right now, from based on your own experience?
Oh, well, I am new to self-publishing, and I can just tell from my experience, I did do a lot of research at first. You know, I know the first thing you need to decide will you have the time and the capability and also the commitment to be self-published. Because self-published is, you're promoting everything. You're basically doing everything. And if you're someone like me that like to have control over everything, self-publishing might be the way, you know, whether you affiliate with someone else to do your design or your editing, you pick and choose who you want to post to go into not saying anything about the publishing agencies, and they're doing their job as far as their business is concerned. But as far as trying to be a self-published, there's so much things you can do from just your book. You know, you can start your own business as far as selling your books or selling merchandise or things from your book. You can book your own your events and things like that. You know, you're basically marketing yourself. So I believe if you know deep down that you might not be committed to doing all those things yourself, then self-publishing might not be the way for you. But if you know that you're striving to get your message out and you don't mind going out meeting people and networking with different other authors and networking, because, basically it's a learning experience. So, and it's basically how you really want to do yourself. So you have to really know yourself very well. Yeah. That's for one. And also, just do your research. Sometimes a lot of ideas I get for myself is not really, from actually what that person actually, stated to me or marketed to me. It's just sometimes it's an inspiration as well. So I believe networking is the number one thing in self-publishing. That, and that's just with any business that you would have to do. Actually, that's how I found you,
Oh, wow. Who connected us? Really?
So I said, well, let me try this sister out, see what she's doing, especially with, with all authors, but especially with black authors and black entrepreneurs, I like, or what they call the underdog. I like to support those and see, because, you have to start somewhere,
Absolutely. Oh, wow. I am so honored. Thank you so much. Yeah, that's awesome. So, okay, has there ever been a moment, just kind of thinking about what you were saying, like, a lot goes into being a self-published author. So, was there any moments in your journey so far where you felt like you wanted to quit? And then, if so, how did you keep moving forward?
Oh, yeah, all the time, like right now.
Oh, no.
With everything that's going on now, my thing is I like doing the book events, calling calling all of the Barnes and Nobles or other type of libraries or events that I can call around the city or wherever you are, or even across call wherever it is. You can make the date, then call them and book an event. And right now, doing the spread of the virus is kind of making it hard for me. So I'm like, but sometimes, what motivates me is the fact that I even have a book. Sometimes I look at it and I'm just thinking, no, you can't quit now. You come this far, you went through all those months of writing and editing and getting it pushed out and marketing it out and, going to different events and meeting people, and people are actually buying it and, you're getting the feedback. So why would you quit,
Right.
So sometimes I have to boost myself up, because sometimes you have those slow times where, you don't have any type of, response from your audience, especially just starting. And sometimes, some days, whole week, it's like, you get so much traffic, you're like, oh my goodness, could it slow down,
Yeah.
But that's just the business. But the thing is to keep going, because if you stop, then you have no business. If you don't
Yeah.
stop, you have your business. So,
Right.
yeah.
You gotta keep moving forward. Yeah.
Right. Just to look at the cover of my book and with my name on there, that motivates me a lot.
Yeah.
The fact that I actually did it. So, yeah, that's what keeps me going.
Oh, wow. You already answered my next question. I was going to say, what are some things that keep you going? Can you give us one more that keeps you writing?
It always, I never look for it, but it always seems to come right on time. Maybe it's the universe, or maybe it's the Lord just, bringing the comforter to me. If, every now and then I'll run across a new review, or someone, maybe a family friend texts me about someone that they didn't know that asked about me. Or they came across my book, and I'm like, oh, wow, people are interested. So, actually, the people is what actually inspired me. If I can inspire one person to even become a writer or want to tell their story, or the fact that they felt that they got some type of strength from reading my books or whatever, then that's enough motivation as it is there.
Yeah, I totally agree. It's so funny, even with what we're doing now, the author spotlight. I was looking to be interviewed for my own self as like an author and a publisher. I wanted somebody to ask me questions, and I couldn't find anybody though. So I was like, dang, what the heck is really going on? So I told my girl,
it is kind of hard. Yeah. People, I think it's okay to want to dream big and everything, but you have to remember you have to start somewhere.
Exactly.
So, I'm a big person about, let me find out what other brothers and sisters doing some type of, entrepreneurship, what they're starting, And so everybody, you're not going to need their service. There's some services you are, and,
Yeah.
So, like I said, I just feel blessed enough that I found you,
Thank you. Yes, ma'am. Well, hey, I have had a great time talking to you. Is there anything else that you'd like to share or offer to those listening?
Well, the only thing I can share is that, hey, fulfill your dreams. If I can do it at the age I am now, I just turned 40. So we're actually 41 this year. But I started doing this journey when I turned 40. And at that time, that's when what's her name? I can't think of. Oh my goodness! Of all the Toni Morrison. She passed away, but that's when she did her first novel. I think she was 39 when she came out.
Okay, yeah.
With Beloved. It wasn't Beloved, but it was the one before that. And so that inspired me. I said, you know what? I can do this. Let me go ahead and just go ahead and step out on faith. So that's the only thing I would leave for anyone that's trying to get into any type of entrepreneurship or any dream that they try. Is just go ahead and just take the step. That first step right there can open up so many doors and give you just the confidence that you need to continue on with further in their journey. So that's the only thing I can leave with anyone, just to keep pushing and keep living your dreams, right?
Yes. Oh, that was perfect.